What up, tube users? So today we're going to replace the fuel pump, a fuel filter, and lower radiator hose on this, and try to show you progress as it happens. And then we're going to get some gas and fire up, and then everything on the fuel system will be complete.
AC Delco.
So that's the old fuel pump we just took out.
I'm going to keep it for backup pump because it'll need more leaks. Like right here, and then it comes down. It leaks. I don't know, I wonder if it was leaking here.
Well, that's why we're getting a new one. So after 4 different auto parts stores, we finally got the parts we needed. AutoZone's website always lies and says they have the part when they don't. Went to 2 O'Reilly's, an AutoZone and an Advanced Auto, and finally the second O'Reilly's, we got the parts.
We're almost there.
So we put the new fuel pump and fuel filter in, what I just did shots of. We were chasing the sun because of the 4 auto parts stores we had to go to, and that's all we had time to do. Of course, we put some more gas in it, but I thought I'd share that update with y'all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, too.